In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated SVG logo to Squarespace. If you want your site branding to feel a little more polished and dynamic, adding an animated SVG logo is a great option. The nice thing about this method is that you can place your logo directly into a code block, which gives you control over how the animation appears on the page. I'll walk you through the exact process in a simple way so it's easy to follow. First, open your Squarespace page editor and navigate to the section where you want the animated logo to appear. Once you're in the right spot, click on Add Block. This opens the block menu where you can choose the type of content you want to insert into that area of the page. In the block search field, type code. This helps you quickly find the correct block without scrolling through all the available options. Since an animated SVG logo uses code, this is the block you'll need in order to embed it properly. When the code option appears, click on code to insert that block into your page. Squarespace will place the code block in the section you selected, and from there, you'll be able to edit its contents. Next, click the pencil icon on the code block. This opens the editor for that specific block, allowing you to paste in the content that will display your animated SVG. If you don't open the editor, you won't be able to add or update the code, so this is the step that gives you access to the block settings and content area. Now paste the animated SVG code you already have into the code block editor. Make sure you paste the full SVG animation code exactly as intended, so the logo displays and animates correctly. If anything is missing or accidentally changed, the logo may not render the way you expect. It's also a good idea to quickly review the code after pasting, especially if you copied it from another source, just to confirm the formatting stayed intact. Once your code is in place, your animated SVG logo will be embedded in that Squarespace section through the code block. If the animation doesn't look right at first, double check the SVG code for any formatting issues and make sure it was pasted into the code block itself rather than another block type. That's all it takes to add an animated SVG logo to Squarespace. As long as you use a code block and paste in the correct SVG animation code, the process is very straightforward.